was at the club, baby.
YouTube, what's going on today? We are back with another little vlog. Not really a DIY, but kind of a DIY because I'm showing you how to change something and how to do it yourself. But for this, I'm gonna be trying to change out my rear subs because obviously I got subs in here, which I need new ones. These are kind of beat up. But anyway, this is a Harman Kardon factory system that comes with it. Mine was very like distorted. I think it's the amplifier on it, so I already pulled off this plug right here. As you can see, it's just a little slide plug, like most BMW plugs. But however, what I need to do is try to upgrade the speakers because these speakers are very small. You see that paper speakers don't really do well. So I'm thinking about upgrading them, but what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pull this down. I think they're 8mm bolts and then screws and then 2 clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those first, and then we'll see what I do about it, if I even just want to just throw it right back up or what, or just take off that amplifier and then bring the rest back to the junkyard. So let's see what we do. Okay, so pretty easy to get it off, take it off, whatever. I want to upgrade these speakers, but however, my dilemma is I don't know what I can put in that this small amplifier is going to be able to handle. If I want to upgrade these speakers, like really upgrade them, I'm going to have to, you know, put something much of a bigger amp in there. So what I'm going to do first is, as you can see, I'm just going to swap over the small amp. Oh, that's broken. Swap over the small amp, and so I can, you know, see if it actually works. There's certain stuff on here that's broken. I'll do a bunch of swapping over and stuff like that. But the looks of it, these are the same exact amps. I don't know. Well, that one's kind of different. Serial number or whatever is kind of different, but we'll see. So this is 2004. This is a 2003. But like I said, we'll see what happens, and I'll let you guys know what the deal is. Okay, so what I've done is I swapped over everything from this, because this plastic piece was better, the one that I got from the junkyard. So I swapped everything over from this one to this one. Swapped the amplifier. As you can see, this is like broken, so I didn't want to keep that or whatever. So now I'm going to try to put it back in, hook it up, see what it does, and then later on it's very easy to pull it out. As you saw, 4 8mm, and then you pop these 2 clips, so it's very easy to pull out. So later on I'll decide if I want to try to upgrade the speakers. I'll research the amplifier, figure out exactly what it needs, and then I'll do that. So right now I'm just going to put it back in there, see if it sounds the same or if it sounds better, or if it's still distorted. That way I'll know if it was the speakers or the amplifier. So let me do it now. Okay, so kind of reinstalled. I put the clip on in the back here. Put the clip on back there onto the amplifier. And all I did was pop in these 2 right here to hold it up. So now I'm going to start up the car, put on some music, which you guys will not be able to hear because I ain't trying to get no copyright foolishness. So I'll let you guys know what happens. Alrighty, so I have come to realize I've turned off these subs. This is just another sub, which I really don't need. But I mean, it works. It's not distorted, so we're good on that. But I really don't need it. So you're not going to be able to hear me because the music is really loud. So I'm going to turn back on these subs, and you'll see how it gets drowned out.
King of the hill, I feel like Bobby. Just came back from Abu Dhabi. Right now, fucked up in your lobby. On my way to drinking party. Baddie little mama, she flew from Bali. Gave her the rim, but she wanted a body. Hot like tamale. Want a Ferrari. The shit on these niggas and never say sorry. Spilling the drink while I walk through the lobby. We like the party, it's kind of a hobby. King of the hill, but we don't do no Bobby. All of this ice
So like I said, I came to realize that that wasn't like vocals. That speaker is for subs, probably hence why it's mounted to the top of the back of the trunk. I really don't need them, but I like to have a fully functioning car, and if my subs went out, I'd still have some thump in the trunk. So, with that being said, that's gonna be the end of this video. A little bit of DIY, but a little bit of a vlog or whatever. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.